Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold the side button and volume up button. You will see click on restart. After click on restart, you will see after restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it did not solve, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting and enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on search and search software updates. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.